Hey guys, Kevin Z here. I want you to join me live right now for a special unboxing. I'm here in my home office and I actually just got this package that I want to share with you guys. So let me quickly flip my camera over and show you. This is a very cool box that I got in the mail today. And if you guys look who sent it, here's the commercial invoice. It was sold by Social Wi-Fi Marketing Services. It was sent to my home address there, and it contains, as you can see right down here, social powered mini USB hotspot. And there's 10 of these guys in here. And to give you some perspective, there's 10 of them in there, and this is the size. I just put a pen over here so you guys can see. So that's the size of the box, so about 2 pen widths. Almost just a little bit more than 1 high, has some cool things in it. So let me actually open this up and show you guys what is in this box. So let me go in and rip this open. All right, so check this out, guys. So here is your new SH50 device. All right, so it is in a beautiful white box. There's no branding here, it just has the MAC address scannable on the outside. It is a complete plain, nice quality matte box. Let me just open this up to show you guys what's inside. A sec. And they pack these real nice and tight. All right, so this is what's inside of the box, as you can see. So we have a user guide, again, completely unbranded, no mention of my Wi-Fi at all on this guide. Really nice instruction manual, so those who drop ship this to your clients, you'll see the product info. One thing to notice here, the package contents, we actually give you more than the package contents are listed. I'll show you that in just a second. So let me actually show you the device first. That's the cool part. So this is it. This is the SH50. It looks great. It's nice and shiny, as you can see here. The sticker on the back says guest hotspot with the MAC address, the power source. It's CE, FCC, and IC certified, so no issues with customs or anything like that. There's the FCC ID and the IC ID, all that, all good. This is that cool device that you'll be able to, as you see, fits in the palm of your hand. You can take this anywhere. Now, the cool thing with that is that not only does the device come in the box, but we also have this really, I'll be honest, this is a great quality adapter. This is a AC adapter. As you can see, it's North American, but you can use any USB adapter. But this is like really good quality, guys. Like this is like borderline as good quality as, even better than the Apple one, I think. So it's, as you can see, it's UL certified. It is all good. So that is the USB adapter. So that does not come, if you buy this, a similar device on Amazon, you do not get this. So we actually included that in the box with this. We also have a LAN cable, Ethernet cable. So the way to install this, as the instructions say, 3 ways to install it. So again, if you're sending this to a client, this is something that they can very easily follow along with. Plug in the power cable, connect to Wi-Fi. Here's exactly how you can connect to the internet. So that's the first option, going through a cable modem. So that's what you do here. You just plug in this cable to the WAN port over here. And then you get this power cable as well. Really good quality stuff. I'm actually quite surprised. I ordered the premium stuff, to be honest, and I wasn't quite sure how premium it would be, and it is awesome, really cool. So there, I power that in, I plug in the power, and then I can also plug this in. Sorry guys for this camera control. I'm just trying to multitask. Next time I will get a tripod. And there we go. So that is my power source all in the box. So now this thing is powered. The only thing I would have to do next is plug in my WAN cable. I'll just show you that. So plug in the cable onto the WAN port. And now I have everything I need right here. Plug this into the wall, plug this into my modem, and I am good to go. This thing is pre-programmed. It has our firmware pre-installed. It auto-syncs with the cloud. You don't have to use this adapter. Keep in mind, most cars these days have a USB port, so you can power this right from your car. Not only that, the internet itself, you can tether your phone through this other port over here. So you have this other USB port. What you do is you plug in your iPhone or Android plug over here. You then plug that into your phone, and you can tether this bad boy using the data already on the SIM card using your iPhone or Android device. Okay, so this is the unboxing live. As you can see, I had 10 of the guys in here. So you know, check this out. Every one of these is probably worth $1,000 to me. To be honest, when I go take these and, you know, sell these directly to local businesses, which is what I might actually start doing in Toronto, to be honest, because there's just so much opportunity out there that I'm leaving money on the table, not doing it myself. So, you know, to be honest, like, each one of you guys should be taking one of these things. This is, to me, worth at least $1,000 a year without the upsells. And considering, you know, I got 10 of them in this box over here. This little box over here is worth about $1,000 to me. And that's just before all the upsells. So again, this thing you can tether, set up yourself, and set up in minutes. Now, I actually set one up already over here. Let me just show you guys exactly how this looks. So I got a simple switch over there. I have the power plugged in over there. This is the device all powered on. So as you see, I have my USB power and I have my WAN. That's all I need to have this broadcasting. Let's hop over to my laptop and kind of see what how this looks over here trying to connect. So I'm going to go look for a network. Let's go over here, turn my Wi-Fi on. And this, when it starts up, has a guest Wi-Fi. So again, it's generic. There's no mention of my Wi-Fi at all. Let's just look at what the networks are. Oh, actually, look at auto popped up. But that's what you'll see already. You'll see guest Wi-Fi _, and then you'll see all of your MAC addresses. This MAC, you know, funny enough, matches the exact MAC on the box. All right, so that's what you're going to see. You're going to see your guest Wi-Fi followed by the same MAC that's on your device, same MAC that's on the box. So everything matches up. You know what is what. To change that SSID, you simply run a campaign. You add this device to your platform. If it's not added already, you can simply just add that MAC address, pop it right in, and then you can customize this login page and also customize that URL that loads up. All right, so what happens here, as you guys know, over here I connect to the internet. I've already authenticated here, so obviously it pushes me right in. Thanks for browsing. And just to show you guys how fast these little guys are, let me just pull up a little speed test. All right, so again, this is a speed test just to confirm with you guys. This is a speed test using the guest Wi-Fi. That's powered by this little guy. In fact, that little guy right down there. All right, so let's see the speed that this bad boy provides. And, you know, to be honest, this is, it's all throttled. So we do throttle this through. And let's see, so we're getting up to 10, 12, 13. I know we hover around 20, 25. And the cool thing about this is this will stay steady across all of the clients that use it. Okay, so this is built in a way that we throttle just enough to spread this evenly across all users. So as far as the down and up, this is great. And I actually had these same speeds when I tested it. I was way downstairs, like 2 floors below in the back of my house. I was outside of my front porch. I was getting these exact same speeds. And we do this to maintain and to make sure that all the speeds kind of match up. So there we go. That is, I think, some pretty good performance. And all that happened from this little guy. Again, you can pick these up right now in the store. I will keep the link below in the Facebook page. But make sure you pick those up at the stores. The SH50 comes in a really cool box like this. And again, it's shipped from a random shipper, so you can drop ship these to your clients. And it also comes with a snazzy little instruction manual that I kind of stopped showing you, but it shows you the ways you can connect. You can connect via cable or WAN. You can connect via 3G or 4G USB modem, and you can also connect via tethering. All right, so I'm going to demo all this stuff for you guys. Here's the specs on it. It's a really powerful, super good device. You know, there's 64 megs of DDR2 RAM in this little guy, 16 megs of flash. It's, you know, it's great for a little portable router, not really meant to be a huge, you know, you're not going to put, you know, you're not going to get a whole mall out of these. However, what I will show you guys to do is that this has presence analytics built in. So you can actually set a bunch of these up all around the mall and use this just for presence, okay? So that's a huge thing. And those who understand what I'm saying, you know the power of that. For $39, pick one of these guys up with full power source and cables included, including an actual, you know, adapter itself. You cannot beat that value at all. All right, so that's the SH50. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please comment below. It's going to be doing a lot more of these videos. I really realized that for a long time I have not been intimate enough and not been sharing enough of what I do on a daily basis with you guys. That's all going to change. So if you like this video, please comment below, let me know. And if you buy an SH50, also please let me know. I'm looking forward to having you guys use them. And this is also a great application for taking them on tour buses, kiosks, portable devices, any kind of remote install. It's really great for that. So anyways, guys, I'll see you later and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.